Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. By being meticulous about what went into building this Escalade, you can get whatever you want out of it. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automatic parking assist, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value